Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be showing you some of the features and benefits of the Citroen Relay panel van. The vehicle is brand new and it's covered under manufacturer warranty. We also applied a triple layer of Gardex Nanocoat over the paint to make sure no tree sap, acidity or rain will affect it for time to come. This specific exemplar comes in the Enterprise trim level and in aqua green color, and it's in the L4H2 configuration. Comes with barn-style rear opening doors and parking sensors fitted over the bumper, and a curbside sliding door. In the cargo area, as you can see, you have a full metal bulkhead with ply lining over the panels and doors, and lighting fixtures at the center. Size-wise, it's 143 centimeters of width in between the wheel arches, 196 centimeters to the lowest point of the roof being the center ribs, and then an extensive 401 centimeters of fully usable floor space. Let's take a look into the cabin. Once you access the cabin, you have a 3-seat configuration with an ergonomic and fully adjustable driver's seat, equipped with an adjustable armrest with leather at the top, and then a 2-seat bench for the passenger with adjustable headrest and a picnic table fitted with a clip holder onto the center seat. Over the dashboard you have multiple storage solutions over the left and center. And once you take possession of the driver's seat, you have 2 analog clocks with a digital trip computer and the signature amber lighting color from Citroen. The multifunction steering wheel is adjustable in depth. And you have the infotainment commands over the left-hand side with voice commands as well, plus some more for calls and seeking tracks over to the right. Over the left-hand side, you have the classic stalk for the lighting and the cruise control, which is part of the Enterprise Premium kit, plus the classic stalk for the wipers over the right-hand side. And then you have a cluster of buttons to control the auto start and stop toggle, rear fog lights, adjusting the height of the beam, and also the trip computer. Over the driver armrest, you have the electrically adjustable mirror dial and also power windows and sensor locking unit. The infotainment unit is a Citroen Uconnect fitted with navigation powered by TomTom, Android Auto and Apple Carplay for USB cable, and a DAB radio. Just under the radio you can find the air conditioning controls and some more toggles for the heated mirrors, center locking unit and traction control. This vehicle is fitted with a 6-gear manual transmission. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Citroen Relay panel van in L4H2 configuration. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.